In this video we will look at the use of action forms, and the way it works is that in a dashboard where I have several parameters, I can set new values for more than one parameter without triggering a parameter update until I press a button, which is the Forms button, at which point values for all of the parameters are set, and that in turn triggers a data table update. So in this example we have three different parameters. One is text, one is time, and one is numeric, and these are the current values that we see here. And now to change these values, I type something, new value for example, and as you can see, nothing updates just yet. Let's pick a different date. Let's pick March 31st, and let's set a new numeric value here. And at this point I press this button and the parameters update, and my data table that uses these parameters also reloaded, but only once and with all of the new values for all of the parameters. If we look at the configuration behind the scenes here a bit, we can see that this guy is an action text box, and it's set to type form instead of standalone. And when I'm using type form, I get this setting here, form controller, where I have specified action form 1. What is action form 1? Well, that's the button down here. This is action form 1, and it's running in set parameter mode. It could also be a number of other modes. And the title is what I read on the button here. If we inspect the other controls, this action date picker similarly is running in type form, associated with action form 1, and I can obviously have several forms on the same dashboard. And lastly, this numeric action slider is also associated with action form 1. So going back to view mode and trying it out all again,